Good morning, children. This early morning session is dedicated to all language lovers, particularly those who derive thoughts and ideas from day to day elaboration. Today's elaboration is on the topic small things, small actions count in making a tremendous change in our life. So, we are going to deliberate on the topic small actions, small changes can lead to tremendous changes in our life. Well, many of us believe that small things do not have much impact in our life. They believe that small actions, small changes do not have much impact in our life. But the fact is that they are mistaken. Every small actions that we perform in our day-to-day life has a long-lasting effect in our life. All small actions, all small changes, all small deliberations in our life make a big and tremendous impact in our life. Every small decision that we take in our life has an impact on our long lasting life. We see that all great people, we learn from the life of great people that they have become great by virtue of counting every small action and making change in their life in step by step, day to day approach. They have always followed a step by step and day to day approach. They have grown step by step, action by action. They have never grown overnight. They have transformed their life through small changes. They have always nurtured their good habits and they have always chipped at their bad habits. They have always made change and transformation through small, deliberations. They have always counted at small decisions and made changes according to the need of the hour. Decisions taken in day to day life have added up to make a tremendous difference in the long run. Indeed, in matters of personal and character building, there is nothing like overnight success. Growth always occurs through a sequential series and of stages. Growth always occurs through a sequential series of stages. There is an organic process to growth. When we look at, children growing up, first they start learning how to crawl, then they learn to, walk, and eventually they learn to run. So at a time they do not start running, they first start crawling, then they learn to walk, and then eventually they run to they learn to run. So this is an organic process. The growth is an organic process. The same thing is true in the case of nature also. The soil must be tilled well, then the seed must be sown, and then it must be nurtured with enough sunlight and water. Then only we can see the seeds sprouting, bearing fruit, and eventually coming to be ripened, to be eaten by us. Therefore, the seed must be implanted in the very beginning and with a small effort of getting it sprouted. Gandhiji understood the organic process and used this universal law of nature to his benefit. Gandhiji grew in a small ways. In his day-to-day affair, he did not wake up one day and find himself to be the Mahatma. He grew up step by step, day by day, actions by actions. But from this mid 20s onwards, he deliberately and consistently attempted to change his behavior, reform himself, and grow into some concrete, individuals. His day to day and hour by hour actions, making certain risk at his failure, experimenting with his mistakes and learning from his mistakes, he made a tremendous change in his life. In the situations where the things became very tough, he learned to go step by step. People have always marveled at the effortless ways in which Gandhiji could accomplish this most difficult task in his life. He displayed a great sense of self discipline and amazingly a great sense of effort. He always practiced self discipline, and therefore he believed in training his mind as well as his soul. He made all the successful efforts to bring out a change in his life. There is a common factor in the life of all great people, and that is what they exercised, and their exercised their choices in a small ways and made great impact on their life. Therefore, we should never think that small things are insignificant. They do not have impact in our life. Small decisions, small changes, small modifications, a small reformation can lead to tremendous changes in our life. Therefore, we should always believe in doing in small ways and then reaching the tremendous change in our life. One day we cannot stand up and say that we can marvel at the tremendous success in life. Success is not an overnight affair, it is a continuous process, and therefore every small change that we are making in our effort, every small deliberation that we are making in the attempt of achieving our goal is going to count in a big way. So friends, never neglect small changes, a small reform. Always go step by step, hour by hour, day by day, and then chalk out the plan to make reforms in your behavior. Nurture your good habits and chip at your bad habits. Things will be on your way, and these small changes will lead to tremendous reform in your life, and you will really become great one day. Thank you. Have a nice day.